Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I saw this poster of an event that was posted by Vuyokazi's husband, Utolan. Now, it looks like it is some sort of event, like a culinary type of experience where they're going to be having food. Apparently, like it's like a meetup for entrepreneurs or something like that. When I first saw this, you guys, I was just like, sir, is this the apparent business that was being spoken about? Because when I listened to one of those voice notes, you remember him saying something about him opening up a business. And other people just sharing this. Vuyokazi shared this herself. There's other people sharing this, saying that, you know what, we're gonna support umkhwenyana wethu, we're gonna support usibari wethu, we're gonna support him just for the sake of Vuyokazi. And I just couldn't help but think back to those voice notes that just as he had said in those voice notes, that here people are supporting him just because he is Vuyokazi's partner. Now, I really thought it's his business. When I went to the page on Instagram, I saw it really is a fresh new page. I mean, their first post was on the 21st of July. Yeah, but then when I looked at the one picture that he posted, I don't know whether to say the name of the restaurant or whatever it's called, that's written on the top that he's wearing is kind of different from the one that's been advertised here. So I'm just guessing in my head that this company is having some sort of event. They are a company that specializes with catering for people's events. And this time they're having a type of event in September, and they decided to invite Ukolani to be one of the chefs. That's my thought of it, because even the logo of this company that is actually hosting this event versus the logo on the top that he's wearing, that chef top, I don't know what they're called, guys, isn't the same. So that's what I'm guessing. Now, remember, there's other people alleging, guys, Vuyokazi and Ukolani, they haven't met. Some people basically saying, hey, boy, the bond is an online type of bond. So Ukaike is coming to South Africa in September, because the event is in Johannesburg. It's in September, as I mentioned. So it's clear Ukai will be meeting Nestandana Saike, if he hasn't already, you guys. But that's it. But I mean, imagine this is not even his event, you guys. It looks like he is hired, or he's just working, like something like working on a gig. I stand to be corrected, but that's what I saw from my analysis. Imagine if people are willing to support. This is not even his business, but for the fact that he's going to be there, people, Vuyokazi's fans, are already saying they are willing to be there. Imagine if he opened up his own company. I mean, this is the type of publicity he wanted. But one thing I must say, you guys, that I have a gut feeling about this. I have a gut feeling, those type of scenarios where you tell your partner, listen, I'm gonna do A, B, and C. Ngifuna ukukhipha ulokhuzana amanga. So like something like, I tell my partner, listen, I'm gonna tell so and so A, B, and C. And like I wanna expose how far news go, or I either wanna prove some sort of points, or let that person do the PR for me that I actually wanna do. I have a feeling that all these voice notes that have been going around, that the stuff that is actually saying on the voice notes, he's actually saying them deliberately. And I feel like Vuyokazi already even knows, or she's been let in about what's going on, because I'm just like, there's just something that, like, it just sounds too convenient to be flowing like that, you guys. So there's something that I just kind of feel like Ukai, as he lets his baby mama, whoever, he knew that that would possibly come out, and he let her do the PR for him, for his business, for everything. And I mean, it looked like it worked. That's my thoughts, you guys. I really don't think it's what it seems to be that this guy was actually talking about. Vuyokazi without her knowing. But even if he did that. I mean, that's still not justifiable. That's still wrong. But I'm just like, it just sounds too. It sounds. Yeah, I don't know how to put it in. This is not me trying to speak for the guy, but I'm just like, I mean, something is just missing here. I don't know, you guys. But anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.